Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will see how to replace the resources on a task. There are several situations where you might need to replace the resources assigned to a task. If you started by assigning generic resources, you can replace them with the names of the people who will actually do the work. If people are over-allocated, replacing them on some other assignments is one way to correct the problem. Or you might have to replace someone because they get sick or are no longer available. One place you can replace the resources is the Assign Resource dialog box, which is in the Resource tab. Here you can click on Assign Resources. If you want, just move the dialog box to where you want it on the screen. Now, one of the great things about the Assign Resources dialog box is you can actually look for the resources you have enough time available. Let's say I want to replace the resource assigned to the Identify Additional Costs task because you can see that there is a red allocation icon. So I click the task and you can see that the task name appears here. In addition, I can look for the resources who have enough hours available to do this task. So to do that, I turn on the Available to Work checkbox and then type the number of hours. It's a 10-day task, so I'm going to look for 80 hours. Now this list shows all the resources who have enough time available. I want to replace the project manager, so to do that, I select the resource name cell here for that assignment and then click on Replace. Then in the Replace Resource dialog box, I scroll down the list and find the resource I want to assign. Say I want to assign the architect. I'll say OK. Now you can see that the architect is assigned instead of project manager. If you want to change the units for the assignment, click the units cell and then type new units. Say I want 150%. You can also replace the resources in the task form. So I'm going to close the Assign Resources dialog box and click the Close button, go to the View tab and turn on the Details checkbox. And now I have the task form in the bottom of the window. To show how this works, I'm just going to reassign this back to the project manager. So I click the resource name cell, click the down arrow and choose the project manager. If I want to change the units, I can go that right here and then click on OK, and the replacement is made. You can replace the resources with the same tools you used to reassign them in the first place. The Assign Resources dialog box and Tasks form are readily available and easy to use. The Assign Resources dialog box can also help you look for the people with enough time available for the assignment. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you for watching.